Well, in Southeast Asia, that magic wallet might just be GrabPay. But what exactly can you use it for? Is it just another ride-hailing app payment option, or is it a one-stop shop for all your spending needs? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of GrabPay and unlock its full potential. From rides to retail, your Grab ecosystem companion. Let's start with the basics. Grab, of course, is the king of ride-hailing in Southeast Asia. So naturally, GrabPay seamlessly integrates with your Grab app, allowing you to pay for taxis, motorbikes, even GrabFood deliveries, a lifesaver on those busy workdays. But GrabPay's reach extends far beyond the Grab app itself. It's become a widely accepted payment method across countless merchants. Think of it as your virtual Visa, ready to swipe at convenience stores, supermarkets, and even restaurants. From grabbing a quick bite at your favorite local joint to stocking up on groceries, GrabPay has you covered. Entertainment on tap, power up your playtime. Movie night with friends? GrabPay lets you book tickets at major cinemas, ensuring you don't miss the latest blockbuster. Feeling like a night in? Top up your mobile data or subscribe to your favorite streaming services, all with a tap on your phone. Bills and utilities, conquer the adulting struggle. We all know the adulting struggle is real. But GrabPay can ease some of that burden. You can use it to pay your phone bills, utility bills, and even recharge your prepaid cards. No more scrambling to reach the nearest payment center. GrabPay brings convenience right to your fingertips. Travel essentials, explore seamlessly. Planning a trip around Southeast Asia? GrabPay can be your travel buddy. Book hotels and flights on popular platforms using GrabPay, ensuring a smooth and cashless travel experience. Investing for the future, grow your wealth. Thinking about your financial future? Grab has partnered with various financial institutions, allowing you to invest or purchase insurance products using GrabPay. It's a small step towards securing your financial goals. The perks of going cashless with GrabPay. Now, the benefits of using GrabPay go beyond just convenience. Here are some additional perks to entice you. Rewards and promotions. Grab frequently offers discounts and cashback rewards for using GrabPay at partnered merchants. It's like getting paid to spend. Security and convenience. No more carrying around bulky wallets. GrabPay utilizes secure technology to keep your transactions safe. Transaction tracking. Keep track of your spending habits easily with the detailed transaction history available within the Grab app. So, is GrabPay the magic wallet of Southeast Asia? While it might not literally be magic, GrabPay comes pretty darn close. It's a versatile payment solution that simplifies everyday transactions, integrates seamlessly with your Grab ecosystem, and even offers additional perks like rewards and convenience. But remember, with any financial tool, it's important to be responsible. Keep track of your spending and avoid overspending. Used wisely, GrabPay can be a powerful tool to streamline your finances and make your life in Southeast Asia a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.